Dear students, in my last video I explained you the format of reports. As in your syllabus you have camp reports, so today I am going to tell you two camp reports. We'll follow the same format of writing the camp report. Again, just see the format of camp report. First of all, you have to draw the box. Then in between the box you have to write camp report in your capital letters, and then afterward you can write reported by or simply by ABC, or you can write your name also. On the left hand side of the box you have to write place and date and place can be shifted above or down. And then the three important things: the introduction of the report, the main content, and the conclusion should be there. Now the very first report is write a report on blood donation camp held in your school. So here I have taken the example of blood donation camp. So first of all you have to draw the box. See the box I have drawn, and in that box only, in the middle of the box you have to write blood donation camp, that is to be written in capital letter. And after the that, in the second line, just below the blood donation camp, I have written by, and I have written my name. Here you can write your name, so by Madhubala. And then you have to write place name I have given Sonipat. Date, here I have not written any date. The date you can write whatever date, on which date you are writing this report. So here I am telling you, on 9th of August 2020 a blood donation camp was organized by Red Cross Society in our school from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. So in these three lines I have explained each and everything: when, where, and time also I have mentioned. The main purpose, now I am explaining you the question, answer of why this camp was organized. The main purpose of this event was to create awareness, to donate more blood, just to save lives of the people. So in the second paragraph, we'll give the main content of the report. A team of doctors and nurses were present at the location. Location मतलब आपके स्कूल में. The first person to donate the blood was the principal of our school. So the very first person who donated the blood was our principal only. Then other staff members and local people donated blood. Now I have changed the paragraph. The donors were given fruits, biscuits, and milk by the hospital staff. So the hospital staff, they gave the donors fruits, biscuits, and milk. We all should. Then in the end, I have already told you earlier also that the report should be ended in a positive mood. So positive mood, in the last line I have given that we all should donate blood to save precious lives. कीमती जो जिंदगियां हैं हमें उन्हें बचाना चाहिए. Now we'll take the another example. So this is about the eye checkup camp. Write a report on eye checkup camp. Again the box is to be drawn, and then in the middle of the box here I have written eye checkup camp, and then I have written my name. Here I have given you the date. Today is 10th, so I have mentioned this date only. Then place you can write Sonipat only. So last month a camp was organized by the government ने ही organize किया. It was held in Gupta Eye Care Center. I have here mentioned the place name. So the main purpose of this camp was to help the senior citizens, those who have attained the age of 60. तो 60 years के एज के बाद में काफ़ी सारी प्रॉब्लम्स आ जाती हैं लोगों में. सो दिस वाज जस्ट फॉर द सीनियर सिटीजन्स ओनली. A team of expert doctors, nurses reached the hospital at around 8 o'clock in the morning. तो सुबह 8 बजे वो पहुंच गए. The senior doctor gave speech and welcomed all senior citizens. So all the citizens were welcomed by the senior doctor, and then all the senior citizens and doctors. So free eye checkup camp, advice and medicines were given to the patients. So those who came there to for their eye checkup camp, they were given free advice also, free checkup was also done there, and even the medicines were also distributed to them. Sometime it happens that there, you can write here that the operations were also held in the camp. So the camp ended. In the end lines I have added, I have concluded the report. The camp ended at 5 p.m. with the grand success and fame in the society. So actually this was organized by the government. So all the people, those whosoever came in the hospital, they admired the government work and they just praised also. So in this manner you can write these two reports in your fair copies.